The number one skill to become a successful real estate investor or entrepreneur is, drumroll, is discipline. Discipline, discipline. Why do I say that? Because discipline is the glue that makes your success come true. Discipline is the ability to do all the stuff that you don't want to do or you don't feel like doing, and you're able to do it. Because the thing that makes someone successful versus someone that's not successful is discipline. A disciplined individual is willing to do the stuff he or she does not want to do over and over in a cyclical pattern till they're able to harvest their dream. An unsuccessful person will say, I want to do X, and maybe they'll do it for a day or two, and then they'll stop because it's uncomfortable, because they have to wake up early, maybe because they have to wake up late, maybe they have to do stuff they don't want to do. So success all depends on your ability to have discipline.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at mrnofluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.